In this video, I will show you how to come up with the equation v squared equal v sub naught squared plus 2a multiplied by x minus x sub naught. First, v stands for final velocity, v sub naught stands for starting velocity, a stands for accelerations, x stands for final positions, and x sub naught stands for starting positions. So we can start out with the definition of acceleration. Acceleration is v minus v sub naught divided by t. If we multiply t by both sides, then we get rid of t on the right side. And if we divide by a from both sides, what we have is t by itself. T is equal to v minus v sub naught over a. So we're going to use the definition of average velocity again. Average velocity is equal v plus v sub naught divided by 2. And the other equation that we will be using is also average velocity is equal to x minus x naught divided by t. And so if I multiply t by both sides, then add x sub naught on both sides, and I put x by itself. Alright, so now we can start combining it. X is equal to average velocity is we get from above is equal to v plus v sub naught divided by 2. And then t is equal to v minus v sub naught over a. And then we just transfer the x sub naught down. The rest is just clean up the algebra. So v times v is v squared. V times minus v naught equal minus v naught v. Plus v naught times v is plus v naught v. And then v naught times minus v naught is minus v naught squared. Divided by the 2a plus x sub naught. And notice how minus v sub naught and v and plus v sub naught v, that will cancel out each other. That becomes 0. So what we have left is v squared minus v sub naught over 2a plus x sub naught. And then so if I minus x sub naught from both sides, and then multiply 2a from both sides, I get rid of the 2a from the right. And if I plus v sub naught from both sides, then I get v sub naught squared on the right side. And then what I have left is the equation that we use a lot. This equation right here.